In this video, I'll show you how to set up an alarm on your Fitbit Charge 6. So once you wake up the screen, you're gonna swipe towards the left like this until you see alarms. Then press on it and you're gonna select the time of your alarm. So let's say I wanna wake up at 8 a.m. I'll select 8 and then 00, p.m. or a.m. I'll choose a.m. Tap on it and here we go, the alarm is now set for 8 a.m. But we have multiple options. If we go down, we can see that the alarm is turned on. We can also turn it on, off, and turn it on when we wish in the future. If we go down, we have repeats. If we tap on it, it will let us select if you want this alarm to repeat every day of the week or during certain days only. Or you can leave it off as well and it will only be one time. If we go down, and this is very interesting, the Charge 6 has Smart Wake. And what does it mean is, let me show you. If we turn this on, let's say between 7:30 and 8 a.m. So between 7:30 and 8 a.m. usually it gives you a 30 minutes time frame according to what time you have set. So if we would have set 8:30 here, over here it will say between 8 and 8:30. And the watch will detect when you're not in deep sleep and wake you up at this specific time. The watch will decide itself. This way you'll feel a lot more refreshed when waking up, since we all know that if the alarm rings while we're in deep sleep, it will be harder to get out of bed. So if we go back over here, you can turn on and off this feature. And lastly, you can press remove. This will remove the alarm we created completely. In my case, I will keep it. Now let me show you how does it look when the alarm rings on the Fitbit. There's definitely a strong vibration. You'll feel it if you wear it on your wrist. And you have two choices. You can snooze the alarm and you can also cancel. You just have to swipe up and then press the dismiss button. You'll get the message dismissed, and that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below if you have any questions about the alarm, and I'll see you in the next video.